Look at with me Unit 12 Assessment from معاصر book, okay? Page 242. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, area of the parallelogram equal base times height. Question number 1, if we have parallelogram, then we will have two bases and two heights. It's the smallest base and height, greatest height here. And the greatest base, the corresponding height will be smaller. Then the area will be equal base product by corresponding height. Base times height. Choose letter B about question number 1. Question number 2. Area of rhombus side length 2.4 centimeter and its height is 2 centimeter equal what? Okay, we know the area of rhombus equal base product by corresponding height. The base here was 2 centimeter and corresponding height was 2.4 centimeter. Then the area equal base product by height. 2 product by 2.4, it will be what? 4.8 square centimeter. It's area about rhombus. Next example, which expression represents the area of drawing triangle? The area of triangle equal half times base times height. Okay, we have 4 here is the base and corresponding height was 3 centimeter. Then we can write the area equal half product by the base product by height, or you can write this base 5 centimeter product by 2.4 centimeter, because the corresponding height about 5, it will be 2.4. Write half product by 5 product by 2.4. Okay, so we have two solutions about this example where the result exactly half times 4 times 3. Choose letter C about this example, letter C. Okay, question number 4. The area of drawing trapezium equals space square units. Okay, we can write the area of this trapezium by write the rule, or you can divide this trapezium to 3 parts. First triangle, second rectangle, third here will be triangle, but this space was 2 units, okay, and here 1 units, and between them we have, count with me, 1 2 3, and the height here 1 2 3, and the height here 1 2 3. And then we can write area A and B and C. The area of A, it will be half product by the base product by the height, plus area about this rectangle, it will be 3 product by 3, and area about this triangle, it will be half product by the base product by the height. Half times 1 times 3, 1 times 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 2, it will be 1.5. 3 times 3 equal 9, and half of 2 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. Then 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 and half plus 3, it will be 13 and half square centimeter. So you must choose letter P about this example. Question number 5. The area of the triangle equal half times base times height. Where triangle here, we have the base was 6. It was obtuse triangles, and the altitude will be outside about this triangle. Okay, then we have 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Then the area will be half product by 6 product by 4. Half of 6, it will be 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. Then the area will be 12 square centimeter. Question number 7. Which of the following separation does represent the area of colored trapezium? Okay, look at with me here. We have rectangle, no. We have parallelogram, and we can cancel this triangle from a parallelogram to find the area about this trapezium. Okay, my students, look at with me here. We have parallelogram and this triangle. If we cancel the area of triangle from the area of this parallelogram, we can find the area about this trapezium. Then we must know the base here and the corresponding height. Count with me, 1 2 3. 3 units in the base, and corresponding height here will be what? Count with me, 1 2 3 4. Okay, this height was 4 units. and this base here in parallelogram equal 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 units. Okay, 7 units in the base, and corresponding height was 4 because the area of this parallelogram it will be base and corresponding height. Then the area of trapezium will be equal base 7 here produced by corresponding height 4. Okay, it's area of this parallelogram. Subtract by this area about area of triangle. If you cancel the area of this triangle, cancel this part, you can get the area of this trapezium. Then the area of the trapezium, we can write the area of parallelogram subtract by the area of what? Of triangle, right? Half product by base product by height. Then the area here will be what? Will be 7 times 4 equal 28. Subtract by 2 times 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. Half of 12, it will be 6. The result will be 22 square centimeter, or square units. Square units, because we have 3 units here and 7 units here. Okay, then the area will be 22 square units. So the result will be what? Here it was letter C about question. Letter C, question number what? Question number 7. Okay, now we will solve complete. Question number 2 complete. Look at here about number 1. In this example here, if the two dimensions of parallelogram 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter and smaller height was, or it's 6 centimeters, then the area will be what? Okay, about question number 1, we know we have two bases about any parallelogram. First will be greatest and second will be smaller, or the inverse. But we must know the greatest base has the smallest height, and the smallest height has the greatest height. Okay, he gave us in the example what? He gave us here two bases, 7 and 4. Then the greatest base will be 7 centimeter here, and the smallest will be 4 centimeter. And he gave us smaller height corresponding to the greatest base. The smallest height was what? 6 centimeter. It was 6 centimeter. Then he won't find what? He won't find the area. The area equal base times corresponding height. The greatest base product by the smaller height. 7 product by 6 equal 42 square centimeter. It's the area of parallelogram, right? The greatest base product by smallest height. Okay. Question number 2. If the area of rhombus is 24 square meter and its height 4 meters, in its side length it will be what? Okay, we know the area of rhombus equal base times height, or side product by height, because the rhombus all sides are equal in lengths and we have similar heights about any side. Okay, then he gave us the area was 24, and we know the area equal base product by height, or side by height. He gave us in the example the height was 4 centimeters. In the base here refers to the side. Base here refers to the side. Okay, the side will be what? Will be 6, because 4 times 6 equal 24. The result will be 6 centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. Area of trapezium equal what? The area of trapezium, we must know this rule. Half the sum of two bases product by the corresponding height. We have 7. The smallest base here was 7, or the greatest base 7, and the smallest base 4 centimeter product by the corresponding height was 3. Okay, it's the rule. Half the sum of two bases product by the height. 7 plus 4 equal 11. 11 divided by 2, right? Half product by 11 product by 3. Half of 11, it will be 5.5 product by 3. 3 times 5, 15, 5, and the carry of 1. 3 times 5 equal 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then the result will be 16 and a half square centimeter. Okay, you must know this rule about trapezium. Okay, it's very easy for you to solve an example by using this method. Okay, Question number 4. The area of triangle whole space is 4.8 centimeter and its corresponding height 1.5 centimeter. Okay, we have triangle. He give us the base was 4.8 centimeter, corresponding height was 1.5 centimeter. Then we can find the area. It will be half product by the base product by the height. The result will be 2.4 product by 1.5. 24 product by 15. 4 times 5 equal 20, 0 and carry up 2. 2 times 5, 10 plus 2 equal 12, plus 100, 0, 1 times 4 equal 4, 1 times 2 equal 2, and then eat them. The result will be 360, but the point here will be after 2 places. Then the result will be 3.6 square centimeter. It's the area about triangle, half times base times corresponding height. Next question number 5. Parallelogram of the area. He give us the area of parallelogram was 3.6 square meter, and the base length, he give us the base length will be 9/10 meter. Then the corresponding height will be what? We know the area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. Okay, it's the area of parallelogram. Then we can find what is the number product by 0.9 equals 3.6. Then we can find the height by divided the area 3.6 divided by 0.9, and then we can cancel the point by product by 10 numerator and numerator. 3.6 product by 10, it will be 36 over 0.9 times 10, it will be 9. 36 divided by 9, it will be 4 centimeters. Then the height here will be 4 centimeter. Cancel centimeter, here it will be meter because it was meter, square meter, and here meter. Then if we divided them, the result will be 4 meter. Okay, that was question number 5. Question number 6. The area of the opposite trapezium equal what? We have trapezium, 2 bases, and corresponding height what? The first base here, count with me, 1, 2, 3. The smallest base was 3, and the greatest will be what? We can count how many units here in the greatest base. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the greatest base was 10, and the corresponding height it will be 1. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have here 4. Then the area about this trapezium, it will be half the sum of 2 bases, 3 and 10, product by corresponding height 4. 3 plus 10 equals 13. Then the result will be half product by 13 product by 4. Half of 4 it will be 2. 2 times 13 equal 26. The result will be 26 square units. The area will be 26 square units. 26 square units. Okay, the area about this trapezium. The area about this triangle, it will be half product by base product by the height. Look at with me about this triangle. 6.4 centimeter and here 5 centimeter. Then the area will be half product by 6.4 product by 5. Half times this number, it will be 3.2 product by 5. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 3 times 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16. The result will be 16 square centimeter. Okay, the result will be 16. Next example, question 8. If the base of parallelogram is 10 meter, okay, we have parallelogram here. The base was 10 centimeter or meter, 10 meter. Okay, the base was 10 meter and its corresponding height was 3 meter. Its corresponding height less than it. Again, if a base of this length parallelogram is 10 meter and its corresponding height is 3 less than it, okay, 10 and 3, then the area of parallelogram, it will be what? He won't find the area of this parallelogram. He tell us the height. Again, the height is 3 meter less than it. It's meaning 10 subtract by 3 equals 7 meters. Then the height here will be 7 meter because he tell us in the example, and its corresponding height is 3 meter less than it. 3 meter less than it, it's meaning 10 subtract by 3 equals 7 meter. Then we can find the area will be base product by its corresponding height. The base was 10 and corresponding height 7. The result will be 70 square meter. Okay, 70 square meter. Question number 3 shows the correct answer. The area of triangle, it will be what? Area of triangle, it will be half product by base product by height. Half times base times height. Half times base times height, choose letter C. Or you can write the area equal base product by height divided by 2. Choose letter C. Okay, it was question number 1. Question number 2, a rhombus side length 14 centimeter and the ratio between the height and its length is 5 to 7. Then the area of rhombus equal space. Okay, he gives us in this example the ratio between base and height. The ratio between height and its length. Okay, again, the ratio between its height to its side was the ratio between them was 5 to 7. Okay, it's the ratio between height and side. It's height and this side. The ratio between them 5 to 7. And he gave us in the example the area will be what? If the side length was 14. Okay, if the side length was 14 centimeter and the ratio between height and side 5 to 7, then the height will be what? 7 product by 2 equal 14. Then 5 product by 2 equal 10. Then the height will be 10 centimeter. This height about this rhombus will be 10 centimeter. The height was 10 centimeter. And the base, it's meaning the side. The side was 14 centimeter. We have 14 centimeter base and the height 10. Then the area, it will be side product by the height. The side was 14 product by height 10. Then the result will be 140 square centimeter. 140 square centimeter. Okay, choose letter D about this question number 2. Okay, next example number 3. The area of the opposite trapezium, it will be what? We can write the rule, half the sum of two bases product by corresponding height. Okay, we have here 6 centimeter and the height was 4 centimeter and the base was 11 centimeter and this base, small base, 3 centimeter. We can solve the example by 2 methods. Okay, I will solve by easy method and solve by long method. Okay, first step, we can find the area by write the rule, half the sum of two bases. Right, this base was 11 plus the smallest base was 6, product by the height was 4. Right, half product by 11 plus 6 equals 17, product by 4. Half of 4 will be 2. 2 times 17 equals 34. Then the area will be 34 square centimeter. You must choose letter B. It's the first solution. Okay, it's first solution. Pay attention with me. Now I will solve the example by another method. We can write by using another pen here to divide this trapezium to 3 parts. Area 1, 6 and 11. It's 11. Okay, 11 subtract by 3, it will be 8. This part 8 will be 6. Exactly this result. And 2, 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. And it will be area 1 and area 2 and area 3. I will find area 1 and area 2 and area 3 and then add them. Area 1 here refers to the area of this triangle. It will be half product by the base. Corresponding height here 4. Okay, and area 2, it will be base 6 times 4, length times width, because we have here rectangle. And area about this triangle, half product by 3 product by 4. Half cancel half by 2, then the result will be 4 square centimeter. and 4 times 6 equals 24 square centimeter, and 3 times 4 12, 12 divided by 2 equals 6 square centimeter. Then the area of trapezium, it will be 4 plus 24 plus 6, it will be 34 square units, or square centimeter. 34. Sure, you have two solutions. Okay, you can solve by this method or last one, as you like. It's very easy for you. Okay, next example, question number 4. Which of the following is the area of the opposite parallelogram? The area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. We have two bases and two heights. This base was 10 centimeter and the corresponding height here was 4.8 centimeter. Then the area will be 10 product by 4.8. It's a free solution. Or you can write this base was 6 centimeter and this height was 8 centimeter. Then the area will be 6 product by 8. Okay, as you like about this example, then you must choose 10 product, where the result 6 times 10, no, 10 times 4.8. Question number 4, choose letter D. 10 product by 4.8 centimeter. Choose letter D. Okay, choose letter D. The area about parallelogram base times height. Okay, in the opposite figure, which EB perpendicular to, he won't find what? He won't find the length of BC. Okay, look at here with me. He give us this triangle and the height was 5 centimeter. We have here E, B, D and C. It was 5 centimeter and he give us the area of this triangle. Area of triangle was 15 square centimeter and he won't find the length of BC. He won't find the base. Okay, you can write the rule about this triangle. We know the area, it will be half product by the base. BC is the base, product by corresponding height here AD. He give us the area was 15 equal half product by BC, product by AD was 5. Okay, you can solve this example how, which is the result exactly. We can find half of 5, it will be 2.5. Okay, the half here 5, it will be 2.5, or 2 times 15 divided by 5. 2 times 15 equals 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then BC will be 6 centimeter, because half of 6 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, you can write this rule to find the base. Write 2 product by the area product by the height. Okay, you can using this rule, 2 product by the height, 2 product by the area. The area was 15 divided by the height 5. The result will be 30 divided by 5 equals 6 centimeter. Then BC will be 6 centimeter. Okay, question number 6. If the dimensions of parallelogram are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter and its greater height is 5 meters, then its smaller height equal space. Okay, we will draw this parallelogram. We have two bases. The greatest base was 10 meter and the smallest was 6 meter, and its greater height is 5. Greater height, it's meaning what? It's meaning perpendicular to smaller base. Okay, the greatest height perpendicular to smallest base. Smallest base here, or the smaller base, 6 centimeters. In the height here, it will be what? Height, greater height 5 meter to 6. Okay, we will draw here like this. It was 6 centimeter and the greatest height, this is the greatest height. Okay, 5 centimeter, because the greatest height perpendicular to smallest base. Okay, then we can find the area by product the greatest base by smallest height. But we haven't smallest height, we have the greatest height. The greatest height to the smallest base. Okay, the greatest height, he tell us here, the greater height is 5. Product by smallest base, 6 or 10, it will be 6. 6 is the smallest base. 6 times 5 equals 30 square centimeter or meter, because the dimensions here meter and here meter. Okay, because we have dimension all lengths was meter and meter. He tell us all dimensions meter. Okay, question number 7, the area of the opposite trapezium. We know the area of trapezium equal half the sum of two bases product by the height. We have here 11 centimeter and 15 centimeter, and the height was 8 centimeter. Then the area equal half sum of 15 plus 11, sum of two bases product by corresponding height 8. Right, half product by 15 plus 11 equal 26 plus 8. Half of 26 equals 13. 13 times 8. 3 times 8 equal 24. Right, 4 and carry up 2. 1 times 8 equal 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. Result will be 104 square centimeter. Choose letter C about question number 7. Next example here, question number 4. A triangle of base length 5 centimeter and its corresponding height 2 centimeter more than it. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, triangle. To find the area of triangle, you must write half times base times the height. He give us triangle base 5 centimeter. The base was 5 centimeter and the corresponding height is 2 centimeter more than it. It's meaning 5 plus 2. Then the height will be 7 centimeters. Then the area will be half product by the base product by the height. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 divided by 2 equals 17.5 square centimeter. Question number 2. Find the area of the rhombus whose perimeter 20 centimeter and its height 3.4. Okay, we know the perimeter of rhombus equal 4 product by the side. He give us the example, the perimeter was 20. 20 equal 4 product by the side. Then the side length, it will be 5 centimeter because we have 4 side lengths equal 5 lengths equal the length. Okay, its side was 5 centimeter. And then he won't find the area. The area equals side product by corresponding or the height. Here he give us the height in the example was 3.4 and we found the side length was 5. Okay, 3.4 product by 5. 4 times 5 equal 20. 0 and carry up to 3 times 5 equal 15 plus 2 equals 17. The result will be 17 square centimeter. Question number 3. Which is greater in the area? We must comparing between two figures. First one, a parallelogram with the base was 12 centimeter and its corresponding height was 10, or rectangle, two dimensions here, 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter. We can find here the area of parallelogram. It will be base product by the height. The base was 12 product by height. It will be 120 square centimeter, and the area 2, it will be 14 product by 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. Write 2 and carry up 3. 1 times 8 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. It will be 112 square centimeter. Okay, which greater in the area? The area of what? The area of parallelogram is greater than the area of what? The area of rectangle. Understood? We used here the area length product by width. It's a rule, area of rectangle. Then the area of the parallelogram is greater. We can write the area of parallelogram is greater. Okay, the area of parallelogram is the greater. Next example, a piece of land, question number 4. Number 4, a piece of land of trapezium. If you want to release this plot with fertilizer, 1 bag of fertilizer is enough for area 100 square meter. How many bags fertilizer need to fertilize this piece of land? Okay, we can cancel the area above this. Right, first the area of rectangle and area divided the area of trapezium by the number of bags, or the area 100. First step, we must find the area of trapezium and then divide it by 100 to find the number of bags. Okay, we have here trapezium. The area of this trapezium, it will be half the sum of two bases product by height. We have here 15 meter and 20 meter and 25 meter. We can find the area. It will be half the sum of two bases, 25 and 15, product by corresponding height. 25 plus 15, it will be 40 times 20. Half of 20, it will be 10. 10 times 40, it will be 400 square meter. And then we can find the number of bags. The number of bags, we can write the total area divided the area of each one, 400. Then the number of bags will be 4 bags. We have 4 bags. Okay, you can solve this example by this method or another method. Okay, this method, I will solve this example by another method. Okay, another method tell us we must divide it, this trapezium, to two parts. Or you can find the area of rectangle, complete this figure rectangle, and find the area of this triangle, cancel the area of this triangle from rectangle to find the area about what? I cancel the area about this triangle, such as that here. If I will draw here triangle, cancel the area about this triangle from rectangle to find the area of this trapezium. Or you can divide it, this triangle, because he gave us here 15. This side length was 15 meter. 25 minus 15 will be 10 meter here, and it was 20 meter. Okay, you can find the area of rectangle by length times width. The length was 25, subtract by 20. You can find the area equal 25 product by 20, the area of rectangle, subtract by the area of this triangle, half times base. The base here will be 10, product by corresponding height here was 20. Write 25 times 20, write 0. 2 times 25 equal 50, and half times 10, it will be 5. 5 times 20 equal 100. Then the area about trapezium, it will be 400 square meter. It's the method. And then you can find the number of bags by write 400 divided the area of each one, 100, it will be 4 bags. Okay, the area will be 4 bags. It's second method. Or you can solve by third method. What about third method? Third method tell us divided this trapezium two parts. Area about area will be about this rectangle, length times width, right? 25 product by 20 here, plus the area of this triangle, half plus half times the base times the height. Again, this space here 15 and 20, because the length was 15 and the width was 20 in this rectangle, and this triangle half times base times by height here was 20. The result will be 20 times this number, it will be 300, and 20 times 10, 200 divided by 2, it will be 100. Then the result will be 400 square meter. And then you can find the number of bags, right? 400 divided by the area of each one of bag will be 100. Then we will have 4 bags. We have 3 solutions about this example. Okay, You can solve by any method you like.